Heather Turner here, the librarian at the middle school, high school, and I'm here to talk about some Google tips and tricks to help you, the parents, during distance learning. Okay, in this video, we're going to be finding out what the to-do list and what assignments are due in a Google Classroom. So we've already logged into Google Classroom, and here we are on the screen, Google Classroom, and we are looking for what is due. And so I find the easiest way to do that is to use the clipboard under each classroom. And it's kind of this little person that kind of looks like, at least it looks like a clipboard to me. And so we can actually look at that under any class. And so I'm going to pick the 6th grade distance learning class because there are a lot of assignments in there that we can see. Because we have three or four teachers that are in there that are posting assignments. So we have some filters. Think of filters as a way to kind of take all the assignments and just show you the one under that particular topic. So if I click assigned, that's going to show me all the assignments that have been assigned to the student. If I do returned with grade, that's going to give me all of the assignments that have been turned in. So I don't tend to look at that too much unless your child wants to look at their grade. But of course, School Tool is going to be the best place to find the most accurate grades. So the other one that we really want to take a look at is missing. So missing are all the overdue assignments. Now this is a generic student account that I have. So this student is a generic student, so they have not done any of the assignments. Shame, shame, shame. So all of these assignments are missing, so they're overdue. Now keep in mind that most teachers are being a little bit more flexible with due dates, so you'll have to check with your specific child's teacher to see if some of these things can be remedied. So I can see what the assignments are, but I can't tell just from the title on what I need to do. So I just need to click on any of the ones that I want my child to do. So I will go to this one, and you'll notice that there's nothing here. So in order to actually see the assignment details, we have to click on View the Details. This will open up the assignment that is right in Google Classroom, right within the classroom itself, so it goes to the assignment. And so it will give you the directions, any attachments for that assignment, so the student can actually go in and can complete the assignment. So that is how we access the to-do list and figure out what students need to complete. Good luck. You got this. Reach out if you need any help. Should you need any help, be sure to reach out and I would be happy to help you at hturner@fabiuspompey.org.